The brightest star. A long time ago, in a small town called Nazareth, there lived a kind young woman named Mary. Mary loved helping others and always listened to God's words. One day, an angel named Gabriel appeared to her. Mary was surprised, but not scared because Gabriel had a gentle voice. "Mary," Gabriel said, "God has chosen you for something very special. You will have a baby, and he will be the Son of God. You will name him Jesus." Mary was amazed, but trusted God. She said, "I will do as God wishes." Not long after, Mary and her husband Joseph had to travel to a town called Bethlehem. The journey was long and tiring, and when they arrived, Bethlehem was so crowded they couldn't find a place to stay. Every inn was full. Finally, a kind innkeeper told them, "You can stay in my stable. It's not much, but it's warm and safe." Mary and Joseph were grateful. The stable was filled with animals, donkeys, cows, and sheep, and the soft hay made a cozy bed. That night, under the twinkling stars, baby Jesus was born. At the same time, in a field nearby, shepherds were watching over their sheep. Suddenly, the sky lit up, and an angel appeared. The shepherds were amazed and a little scared, but the angel said, "Don't be afraid. I bring good news. A Savior has been born in Bethlehem. You will find him in a stable, lying in a manger." The shepherds hurried to see this special baby. When they found the stable, they knelt before Jesus and thanked God. Far away, 3 wise men saw a bright star shining in the sky. It was the brightest star they had ever seen. They knew it was a sign that a great king had been born. The wise men followed the star all the way to Bethlehem, bringing gifts for Jesus with gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Everyone who visited Jesus that night, Mary, Joseph, the shepherds, and the wise men, knew this baby was very special. Jesus was a gift of love and hope for the whole world. And so, every Christmas, we remember the night when the brightest star led the way to the birth of Jesus, the Savior who brought light to the world.